because it helps with my anxiety. Before I was getting adjusted, I had really bad panic attacks in school, and that was a huge thing. I'm a 4.0 student, and I would constantly have to leave class because my anxiety would skyrocket. I would go to restaurants and I couldn't even order what I wanted to eat because my social anxiety would get so bad. So I literally just, chicken tenders, please, because every place has chicken tenders. So, getting adjusted, actually, I've noticed a lot of improvements with that. I can now say I want spaghetti instead of chicken tenders. And my grades are going up, so I'm not failing anymore.